guys. I know it's obviously been a while since I recorded a video. It's been a long time coming. I've had a lot of shit to do, so I just really haven't been free to make videos, but I'm back. Hello. So I got a lot of new subscribers, so I thought I would just introduce myself again. My name's Gretchen. I'm from Ohio, and I just like to make try and haul videos. I think they're fun. It's stuff I already own, so I'm like, well, why not just show people what they want to see? So some life updates real quick. One, I'm obviously in a new house. I moved in with my boyfriend, so we live together. He's at work, so he's not here. Number two, I switched my birth control, and it is now a patch. So if you guys see this when I'm trying on videos and you're wondering if I'm now diabetic or something, I'm not. It's just a patch. I have to wear it. It's once a week. We'll live. Number two, there are 2 dogs. They're currently outside. They're loud as fuck. So I made them go outside for time being, but they might scratch to come back in. If they do, just ignore them. Number 2, I have a fucking cricket in this house. So if you hear any background noise of a cricket, it's somewhere in our basement. We don't go in our basement, so we're not finding it anytime soon. And a last piece of info. I did a bikini photo shoot with a guy named Caleb. I will link his Instagram down below. I took a bunch of dope-ass pictures of him. He did a great job. I would recommend going to his Instagram because along with me, he does photo shoots of other beautiful models, and I think you should see them as well. So I am going to put all of the pictures he took at the end of this video, so if you want to stay for those, I will have a slideshow of all those at the end. Yeah, let's get into this shit. It's been a while. Hey guys, good to see you again. Here are our fall 2022 bikini haul video. Absolutely fucking love. I think this is so cute. I am always game for a fucking black bikini. I think they're so cute. They're so slimming. I love. Absolute 10 out of 10. It obviously is more cheeky. So they're all gonna be cheeky. Come on. If you've been on my YouTube channel before, you know they're cheeky. I think this is so cute, so slimming. I don't know how you wouldn't. I love it. Yeah, a 10 out of 10. Hell yeah. Oh hey, oh hey, oh hey, did you spot me on the beach in the Bahamas? Hello. I think this is so fun. I'd be lying if I said it didn't take me like 10 minutes to put this on, because it totally did. But like, how cute is this? Just a little like cutout line there, a line there. Again, the back, like a double. Love that. The bottoms are, basic bottoms. It is a brown if you can't tell. So super cute. I love me some browns. Yeah, I love this. I'm gonna say 8 out of 10, just because it was amusing to put on. More of like a 2-person job, I'd say, but overall, love, 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 love. Yeah. We're gonna do a slow walk for this one. How fun. This one, it gives you more like of an asymmetrical look. It's like a mix of like dark green and like mint, I guess. Super fun. I just got the bottoms are so fun. It's like an asymmetrical look, on the top you can like change. You can like tighten it if you want, or like make it farther away. Yeah, I think it's fun. Really not much to say about it. I love greens. I think I say this every video. I think greens are such a fun color. They go well with anyone, but especially with our green-eyed girls like me. They just make everything look so much better. So yeah, love, love. 10 out of 10, 110%. All right, this is the next one. Love, love, love. The dogs are back. I'm sorry, it was too hot to leave them outside for that long. It would just be inhumane. As long as they don't bark, it should be chill. Anyway, okay, so this is the next one. It's just another fun, like, colored one. I think it's super cute. It would look good on, like, a tropical cruise or something is what my mindset is whenever I go on one of those. Yeah, overall, just love it. I think it's so cute. I think it's super form-fitting. Like, I don't know. Can't complain. I'm going to give it, like, a 6. I think it's cute, but it's not, like, a top, with the other ones. So, a 6. Alright. Alright, this is the next one. It's like a burnt orange asymmetrical. When I tell you I want to be buried in this, I want to be fucking buried in this. This is it. This is all I want in life. I love this. I think it's so cute. It's really comfy actually. It fits me perfect. The bottoms aren't bad. They're like thick, you know, so it looks better. I just love a good asymmetrical top. I feel like it looks kind of weird with my necklace though, so I probably won't wear my necklace like in real life. Yeah, I love this. Seriously. I want to be buried in this bitch. Hell yeah. Alright, and then we got one final one left. Alright, this is our last swimming suit. I got this top as well because I thought it just matches. It said Farm Fresh Peaches. I just think it's cute. Another summer outfit. The bottoms are kind of like a tie-dye, I guess, like a pink tie-dye. And then the top is, well, it's just a pink tie-dye, super cute, very trendy for right now. This top was really fucking confusing to put on. I don't know if it was just me or like the fact that I didn't look at the picture when I should have, and then all the ties just being like everywhere, but it was a hot mess, I will tell you that. So, yeah, I think it's cute. It's not really my style. I'm not really like a yellowy girl necessarily, not yellow and orange. Yellow's my favorite color, don't get me wrong, I love the fucking color. But just not on me personally. I don't think it fits. I think it's more for either like darker skinned girls or like super blonde girls. Just not really my color. I love it though, don't get me wrong. I think it looks great, but I don't know. With the top, I liked the top. For sure like the top. Like this. Overall though, I'd say this was a success because I found 3 of my 5 that I absolutely loved and now a top. So we chillin'. This is great. These will all absolutely be used. Don't think anything else, by the way. Alright, thanks so much for watching, guys. I always love when you guys come. I know I'm not the most consistent, and I'm sorry about that. But obviously, swimsuit hauls are expensive. I don't always have the money for it, especially that I'm a college student. If you guys want to send any money my way for swimsuit hauls, I would absolutely appreciate that. Whenever you send it, just put in the description they're going to be for the swimsuit hauls, and I will make sure that those are specifically for those. And then again, stay tuned for that slideshow of the photo shoot I did a month ago. I would love for you guys to see it, and especially go to Caleb's Instagram and see his other pictures that he does with all of the other beautiful models. And I will see you guys in the next try on haul. Bye guys, thank you.